Namaste! Welcome to your morning yoga stretch that you can do on your yoga mat or in bed. If it's one of those mornings that it's hard to get out of bed, then this stretch is perfect for you to get your day started. So start in a lying down position. Slowly roll yourself down. Then bring your knees up and hug your knees into your chest. You can hold on to your knees with your hands. And just take a moment to settle in. Take a big belly breath in and out through your nose. And feel free to really hug your knees with your arms. Wrap your arms around your legs. Or just hold it with your hands, whatever feels good. This practice is all about you. So keep breathing. Maybe rock gently from side to side. This is a nice way to warm up your lower back. Sometimes it can feel a little bit tight after a night of sleep. And you can also draw circles with your knees. It's another nice way to massage your lower back. This is also very helpful for your digestion. So draw a few circles and take long, even length breaths. Also really press your lower back firmly into the ground. And then switch direction. Go nice and slow and gentle with yourself. Wonderful. Then slowly bring your knees back to center. And then open your arms out. Lay them on the floor, like in a capital T position. And place your feet down on the ground. Feet are hip-width apart with your knees up. Do some windshield wipers. So let your knees gently drop to your right side. Hold it for a deep breath. And then as you inhale, bring your knees back up to center. As you exhale, let your knees gently fall to your left side. And just notice how your body feels. Adjust wherever you need to. As you inhale, bring your knees back to center. Exhale, let them gently fall to the right. Let's do that a few times. Inhale, knees to center. Exhale, let your knees gently fall to your left. Inhale, knees to center. Exhale, knees to the right. Last one. Inhale, knees to center. Exhale, knees to your left. Inhale, back to center. Keep your knees up, feet are hip-width apart, and bring your heels closer towards your bum. In the following stretching exercise, we will link breath with movement. Just follow along. As you inhale, lift your arms overhead, place them on the floor. As you exhale, lower your arms down along your body, press your hands and arms firmly into the floor. At the same time, lift your pelvis up towards the sky. Inhale, lower your seat down, bring your arms overhead. And exhale, lower your arms down, pressing them into the floor and lifting your hips up. That's bridge pose. 2 more. Inhale, arms overhead, lower your hips down. Exhale, pressing your arms down into the floor along your body, lifting your pelvis up. 1 more. Inhale, arms overhead, lower your seat down. Exhale to raise your hips and pressing your arms and hands firmly into the floor. Now hold it here. Hold your bridge pose. Keep your knees in line with your hips and your feet, so don't let them splay out. Take a deep breath in bridge pose. This is a nice way to stretch out your front body, your psoas and hip flexor. It's very therapeutic for the back. And release. Lower your hips down. And then let's take a hamstring stretch. Keep your left foot on the ground. Bring your right leg towards your upper body. Hold it with your hands. Keep your right knee bent. And then draw some circles with your ankle, just rolling out your ankle. And then switch direction, draw circles to the other side with your ankle, with your foot. And then for a gentle hip stretch, place your right ankle on top of your left knee. Keep your right foot flexed, just hold it there. You can take it one step further. This is option 2, so choose the option that feels best for you. Reclined pigeon pose. You can hold on to the back of your left thigh. Take 2 deep breaths. Relax and release any tension with each exhale, and also remember to relax your face and everything else you don't need. And then let's all release. Switching sides. Place your right foot on the ground, right knee is up, and raise your left leg up. Hold it with your hands. Keep a generous bend in your left knee, just gently stretching your left hamstring. And then draw circles with your left foot. Roll out your ankle. Switch direction. And then release. And then let's take that hip stretch. Place your left ankle on top of your right knee. Flex your left foot. Just hold gently onto your legs. No need to push or pull anything. Just a gentle stretch here. So option 1, you can stay here. The second option is a little bit deeper into a hip stretch by holding onto the back of your right thigh. Remember to keep your left foot flexed. Take deep belly breaths in and out through your nose. As you're taking long, deep breaths, this is signaling to your brain that it's safe and okay to slow down and to relax. And then slowly release. Then hug your knees into your chest. Bring your nose towards your knees. So chin to your chest, nose towards your knees, like your little basket. Contract, deep breath in, and release as you exhale. Then slowly roll to one side, mindfully. Transitions are just as important as the stretches, so very mindfully bring yourself up to a seated position. Take a cross-legged position if that's okay with your knees, and otherwise straighten out your legs. As you inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, twist from above your waist to your right side. Left hand is on your right knee and your right hand is next to your right hip on your mat. Nice twist, helps to energize and lubricate the spine. Then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist to the other side. Rotate your chest to the left. As you exhale, right hand on your left knee, left hand next to your left seat on the floor. And then inhale, lift your arms up. Turn back to center. Exhale, release, lower your arms down. Keep your right hand on the floor. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, take a side body stretch. Keep your chest open. Keep both sitting bones firmly grounded into the floor. And maybe look up or down. And inhale, back to center, left hand on the ground. Exhale. Inhale, lift your right arm up. Exhale. Take a dive to your left side. Open up your right side body. Keep your chest open. Take a nice deep cleansing breath. And inhale, lower your right hand down, come back to center. Place your hands on your knees. As you inhale, get ready. Exhale, right ear towards your right shoulder for a nice neck stretch. Feel free to gently move your head back and forth. Then inhale, back to center. Exhale, left ear to your left shoulder. Take a deep breath. Release any tension. Inhale. Bring your face back to center. Exhale, release. Inhale, get ready. As you exhale, chin to your chest. And do a few half circles. So rolling your right ear towards your right shoulder, then your left ear towards your left shoulder in your own pace. So we're not rolling our head back. This is to protect our neck. Just gentle half circles. Take deep breaths. Then slowly bring your chin back to center and up. And then let's finish our morning stretch with one more good stretch, lifting your arms overhead. Take a nice big belly breath in and out through your nose. Lengthen your spine. Open your rib cage and then release. And let's seal all this positive energy in together with a deep breath in. Lift your arms up. Deep breath out, unite your hands and draw your hands down in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time to wake up mindfully, to stretch. And thank you so much for joining me. May this practice be a blessing to you, and may you have a beautiful day. From my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your name and email and I'll send it right away to you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new yoga videos every Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye!